Hello everybody, good morning. Now today in this video I would just share with you, if you're finding a partner with the speaking English and you didn't get any kind of partner, then you are clicking on the right video, because today in this video I would just share with you how can you speak with ChatGPT like your English partner. Yes, anywhere, everywhere and anytime. Yes guys, so if you don't know how to speak with a ChatGPT, so please watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, you can better understand how can ChatGPT work to improve your English. Yes guys, this is very small video, this is not a very big video, so please I just request you watch this video till the end. And if you have any kind of question regarding this video, regarding your English speaking journey, so please ask in my comment section. I will always ready to give your answer. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, we have to know what is the ChatGPT and how does work it to improve our English. Okay, and the guys most important thing is that in ChatGPT you can find two kind of version. One is paid and the second one is free. So you don't need to purchase any kind of paid version, because you can speak with ChatGPT in free version. Okay, if you facing any kind of issue in your mind regarding any kind of question, so you can just ask with ChatGPT, then ChatGPT can give you a proper answer that can make you satisfied. Yes guys, because I'm also using this application. This is a wonderful application that can make me satisfied every day. And if you started using this application, it is play very significant role to your English speaking journey. So please use it your English speaking journey and be fluent in short of period time. So first of all, what do you have? You have to go on Play Store. Here you can see my screen recorder. I will on my screen recorder because you get better understanding after watching my all instruction. Please watch this video very carefully because this is very important. Okay, so first of all you have to go on Play Store, then you have to search ChatGPT. Okay, then you have to just download it, because I'm already downloaded, that's why here I get open application, but you still not downloaded, so you can get install application. Okay, so you have to click on install, then you have to wait for installing. So I'm just open it. After completing your installation, you have to open it, then you have to continue with the Google. Okay, you have to click on continue with the Google. After completing your download, what do you have to do? You have to just open it, then you have to create an account on ChatGPT till you not create any kind of account on ChatGPT. So it's asking you it's asking about your email ID, so you have to fill your login email ID, then you can get a OTP on your email ID. Then after you will be able to use this application. So let's start with speak ChatGPT. Okay, so I will ask some question ChatGPT, then ChatGPT can give me amazing answer. Okay, so you can see here, hey ChatGPT, how are you now?
Hey there, I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to assist you.
Okay.
What can I help you with today?
I'm getting a little bit confused between how, has and had. Could you explain it?
Absolutely. Let's break it down. How is used to ask about the manner or way something is done.
Ask some another question here. Okay. Hey ChatGPT.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
I'm getting a little bit confused between is, was and will be. Could you explain it?
Sure thing. Let's clear it up. Age refers to the number of years someone or something has lived or existed. For instance, what's your age? Watch can be...
Okay, I hope you enjoying this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Keep watching, keep smiling. Bye bye.